In this video, we're just going to show how to elevate a 2D polyline. No elevations on it. I have gone in and went ahead and did a join nearest command and joined up all the line work on here. Basically what we do to elevate this, well, one way, there's a million ways to do this, but we'll show you how we can use the 3D data drop down and do a 2D to 3D polyline. We can do it by screen entities. So by doing this, we're going to select the line we want to convert, and then we're going to select the entities that cross the line that we want to use to calculate the or to elevate that polyline. So what we're going to do is telling us to select the polylines to convert. So I'm going to select this EP here, and we'll go ahead and select the other one, and then we'll just hit our enter button. And our extension tolerance, so this is saying anything that is within 1/10 of crossing that line, it's going to use to elevate it. So we're going to accept that. And then it's just saying select the 3D faces, lines, or polylines. So all these contours are 3D, so that's going to be our crossing lines that elevate those lines. So I'm just going to select them all and hit enter. And it's saying, do we want to keep the existing polylines? I'm going to say no. Do you want to select the layer name for the converted polylines? I'm going to say yes. And we're going to leave the layer as 3D EOP and do OK. So now it's thinking about it. All right, so it's let us know it's converted 2 polylines from 80 intersections. Of course, you'd want to go in and check it, make sure it didn't miss anything. Also, make sure your drawing don't have spot elevations or other things you need to make sure of, or typical cross sections or something, that anything that might override the contours. But now that we have those elevated, we can offset them. So to do that, we can just do edit, 3D polyline utilities, and then offset 3D polyline. And we can do multiple ways. We have interval, or we can do multiple where we set up a table and say we want to go over 1.5 feet to the face of curve, up, and then over. We'll do it this way just to show you the basics. I think it explains better what's going on. So we'll just do this one is going to be 3D face curve. Let's say and enter the horizontal amount. So I'm just going to put in 1.5. Enter the vertical amount. I'm just going to leave it at 0. I'm not worried about catching or spilling. I'm just going to leave it there. Select polyline to offset. And now it's saying select the side to offset. So I'm just going to click over here. And done. So now we're going to do the same command again. So I'm just going to enter back into that command. I'm just going to call this face of curve top. Do OK. Offset amount, I'm going to do 0.001, just do 1,000th. And we're going to bring it up 1/2 foot. Then we're going to offset it to the side. And we'll do it one more time. 3D BOC, do back curve. And we're going to do 0.5 horizontal and 0 vertical, coming off that top face. All right, so let's see what we have. It's not going to show it over here because I'm not going to repeat it on that side, but we'll do a 3D view, drawing viewer. We'll select our EPs and our offset lines. Hopefully I'm not grabbing the 2D lines. I should have turned them off, but hit enter. And now we can see everything is elevated. So we got us some decent data here. Also, this is a good way to check and see if you see any spikes or dips where it didn't model correctly. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I'll be glad to answer back as soon as I see it pop up. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Have a good day.